Friends, today we are in the era where mobile apps, which are a few are old, are surpassing the value of companies which are present since decades. This is a good sign for India and our young innovators too. Our youth are working on many products which have the potential to go global. A lot of young techies tell me that it is the code which makes a product special. Some entrepreneurs tell me that it is concept which matters more. Investors suggest that it is capital which is important to scale a product. But often, what matters the most is the conviction the youngsters have on that product. Sometimes, conviction is all that stands between just a profitable exit and making upon unicorn. So, my message to my young friends would be to have faith in their potential as well as products. Friends, today we are a country of 1 billion plus phone users. Today we have 1 billion plus people with unique digital identity. Today we have over 750 million internet users. The scale and speed of internet penetration can be seen by the following facts. Half of the total internet users in India were added in the last 4 years. Half of the total internet users are in our rural areas. Our digital size and our digital appetite are unprecedented. We are a country where the tariffs are the lowest in the world. We are one of the fastest growing mobile app market in the world. The digital potential of our nation is unparalleled, perhaps even in the history of mankind. Friends, it is because of mobile technology that we are able to provide benefits worth billions of dollars to millions of Indians. It is because of our mobile technology that we are able to help the poor and vulnerable quickly during the pandemic. It is because of mobile technology that we are seeing billions of cashless transactions which boost formalization and transparency. It is because of mobile technology that we will enable smooth, contactless interface on toll booths. It is also with the help of mobile technology that we will embark on one of the world's largest COVID-19 vaccination drive. Friends, we have achieved much success in mobile manufacturing in India. India is emerging as one of the most preferred destinations for mobile manufacturing. We have also come up with a production linked incentive scheme to promote telecom equipment manufacturing in India. Let us work together to make India a global hub for telecom equipment design, development and manufacturing. We are embarking on a plan to ensure that over the next 3 years, every village will have high-speed fiber optic connectivity. We have already linked up the Andaman and Nicobar Island with fiber optic cable. We are coming out with programs that focus exclusively on places which can make the best out of such connectivity: aspirational districts, left-wing extremism, affected districts, northeastern states, Lakshadweep, island, etc. We are keen to ensure greater spread of fixed line broadband connectivity and public Wi-Fi hotspots.